This video will show you how to remove the stock tail light on all 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs.
Alright, so the first step in our install is to grab a trim panel removal tool, and with your back window and tailgate open, on the inside you can access your taillights. Go ahead and put your trim panel tool underneath this tab here and remove this piece of plastic. Alright, so with that piece of plastic removed, you can see a small white plastic Torx bolt. We're going to go ahead and remove that so that we can get the taillight out of the back of the Jeep. Grab a T40 Torx socket and remove this. With the bolt removed, you can now grab your taillight and pull straight towards you. Locate your main connector, pull back on the red tab, press down, and remove it.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.